Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. Today I have a very exciting announcement to make about an online card making event which is coming very soon. The Cardmaker Success Summit is returning at the end of July with over 25 card classes from top crafters around the world. This free event will run from July 28th to the 31st, 2022. The theme of this Cardmaker Success Summit is holiday card making. Spark your creativity and get all your Christmas and holiday cards made ahead of time. You'll be spoilt for choice with wonderful card making presentations covering a wide range of techniques. Over the 4 days, you can watch over 25 different card making classes from top crafters such as Justine Hovey, Erin Reed, and more. This time around, there are more Cricut classes than ever before, from favourites such as Nick from The Bearded Housewife, Sarah from Extraordinary Chaos, and Abby from Abby Kirsten Collections. And of course, there's a Cricut card making class from me too, with a free SVG. But there's a catch. You can only view the videos and get access to the materials if you sign up for a free ticket. Go to craftwithsarah.com/join or click the link in the description of this video to sign up through my affiliate link. My presentation starts at 10 a.m. Eastern on Saturday the 30th of July. Here's the card that I'll be showing you how to make. It uses the iris folding technique, which is the art of sticking folded paper strips over a template to make a beautiful and unusual spiral creation. I'll show you how to upload the card into Design Space and how to upload, size, cut, and iris fold the Christmas tree template. Best of all, the SVG file you can get absolutely free and keep it forever. If you've got a Silhouette machine or scan and cut, don't worry, I've got you covered. DXF and PNG versions are available too. And if you don't have a cutting machine at all, don't panic. I've included a printable version which can be cut out with scissors. Here's a little bit more information about the Cardmaker Success Summit. As well as over 25 free card making classes, once you've signed up for your free ticket, you'll also be able to join our exclusive Facebook group full of even more card making and crafting fun. I'll be going live in the group straight after my presentation to answer any questions you have on my card, plus I'll be checking in throughout the whole summit to chat and have fun with you all. Now, as I said, the tickets are absolutely free. You do not have to pay for the Cardmaker Success Summit. However, with the free tickets, each presentation video is only available for 24 hours after it goes live. After the time runs out, you won't be able to watch it anymore. With over 25 speaker presentations in total, plus loads of other videos from some of your favourite craft supply brands, it would be pretty tricky to watch them all before the time expires. If you'd prefer ongoing access to the videos, even after the summit ends, I've got you covered. After signing up for a free ticket, you'll be able to upgrade to the VIP All Access Pass. This gives you all-inclusive access to the summit, which means you can view all the video presentations whenever you want, as many times as you want. You'll also have the opportunity to join a virtual card making crop over Zoom, get chances to win in online giveaways, and there's a whole host of premium bonus content from the summit speakers too. This includes additional virtual card making classes, free memberships, exclusive discounts, and, you've guessed it, even more iris folding patterns from me. Whatever you decide, I strongly recommend going ahead and grabbing your free ticket now at craftwithsarah.com/join, as you can upgrade to the VIP All Access Pass at any time before or during the summit. But bear in mind, the VIP All Access Pass is currently being offered at a special price, so start thinking about it now. Most of the bonus content inside the VIP All Access Pass is being kept closely under wraps, but I'm allowed to give you a special preview of what I'm offering. If you upgrade to the VIP All Access Pass, you'll be able to download an additional 50 Christmas-themed iris folding patterns, complete with matching cut files for each one. This collection usually retails for $49, so you're getting an awesome deal by getting it for free as part of the VIP All Access Pass. But that's not all. If you purchase the VIP All Access Pass using my affiliate link, then as a special thank you, I'll send you a $15 voucher for my SVG shop that lets you choose any 3 of my premium layered SVGs to download for free. My shop contains hundreds of layered SVGs, including a huge collection of dogs, cats, seasonal designs, pets, and more. To be eligible for the discount code, my affiliate link must be the first one you click. So for example, if you get an email from another summit speaker and click their link first, your sale would be tied to them and not to me. So don't delay, go to craftwithsarah.com/join right now and get your free ticket. Even if you purchase the VIP All Access Pass at a later time, I'll still be credited when you purchase it, which means you'll still get the $15 voucher for my shop. And if that's not enough, there are so many other bonuses from the other speakers and sponsors included in that VIP All Access Pass. In fact, you get over $600 worth of goodies. You'll be spoilt for choice on card making ideas and new crafting techniques to learn. I really hope you join me and the other presentation speakers for the Card Maker Success Summit. The video presentations run from July 28th to the 31st, with a new class every hour from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time on all of those days. My presentation is on Saturday the 30th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and here's a reminder of the card that I'll be showing you how to make. To get your free ticket, go to craftwithsarah.com/join or follow the link in the description of this video. Whether you decide to upgrade to the VIP All Access Pass or not, I know you'll be blown away by all of the wonderful craft projects that will be shared. I've been lucky enough to get a sneak peek of them, and trust me, there are some incredible tutorials in there. There are classes on fun folds, alcohol ink, stenciling, mixed media, foiling, shaker cards, pop-out cards, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to craftwithsarah.com/join or click the link in the description to sign up for your free ticket. If you have any questions about the summit, leave me a comment on the video or send an email to sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Don't forget, the summit starts on Thursday, the 28th of July. Until then, have a lovely day, and I hope to see you for my presentation at 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, the 30th of July. Thank you for watching. Bye!